In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Poppo Live account on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is to go ahead and open the Poppo Live app. If you don't have the application, go ahead and download it from your Player App Store. Then from here, you might need to go ahead and turn on notifications. Then from here, we've got the option to log in with Google or log in with your Facebook account. So depending what you've signed up with in the past, if you signed up with your Google account, click on Google. Or if you signed up with Facebook, click on Facebook. And there are more login methods here, so we can use our mobile number. This one here is your user ID, and the next one is your email. So depending how you logged in or you signed up, just use the same method. So in my case, if I've signed up with my Google account, I'm going to go ahead and press on login with my Google account, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and click on to agree and share. Now once you've done that, you're going to be greeted to the main screen of Poppo Live, where you can go ahead and explore the application.